Gaming session at risk because of the D3DX43 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before we start the D3DX43 module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the D3DX43 module, the most common legacy DirectX 9.0c helper. It provides unmanaged routines for 3D rendering orchestration, facilitating the primary visual data link for nearly all Windows 7 era gaming manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. D3X-43 is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with D3DX43 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be aware that manual interventions for D3DX43 module DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for D3DX43 module. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix D3DX43 module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.